हेलो एवरीवन, प्रणव या वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल मेरा। नमस्ते आप सभी को। हर एक डूइंग टुडे आई एम डूइंग फैंटास्टिक एज ऑलवेज। सो वेलकम टू डे 23 of 28-day gratitude challenge from this amazing book The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Day 23 is about the magical air that you breathe. It starts with a quote. It is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person, beguiled and enchanted. Mary Ellen Chase, educator and writer. If someone had told me a few years back to be grateful for the air that I breathe, I would have thought that person was crazy. It wouldn't have made a bit of sense to me. Why on earth would anyone be grateful for the air they breathe? But as my life changed from using gratitude, the things that I looked for granted or didn't have a second thought about became an absolute miracle to me. I went from sweating the small stuff in my little world and day-to-day life to opening my eyes and thinking about the bigger picture and wonder of the universe. As the great scientist Newton said, when I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the Sun to receive the proper amount of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. Those words made me think more and more about the bigger picture. It's not an accident that there is a protective layer atmosphere surrounding us that beyond if there's no air or oxygen. It's not an accident that the trees give off oxygen so that our atmosphere is continually replenished. It's not an accident that our solar system is perfectly placed and that if it were anywhere else in the galaxy we would not most likely be devastated by cosmic radiation. There are thousands of parameters and ratios that support life on Earth. All of them are on a knife edge and their fine tuning is so critical that a fraction at a difference in any of these parameters and ratios would made life available on planet Earth. It is difficult to believe any of these things could have happened by accident. It would seem that they are perfectly designed, perfectly placed, perfectly balanced for us. When the realization hits you that all of these things might not be an accident and that the balance of every microscopic element surrounding Earth and on Earth is in perfect harmony to support us, you will feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude for life because all of it has been done to sustain you. The magical air that you breathe is not an accident or a fluke of nature. When you think about the enormousness of what had to take place in the universe for us to have hair, and you then take a breath, breathing air into your body becomes breathtaking in every sense of the word. We take one breath after another and never give a thought of the fact that there is always air for us to breathe. Yet oxygen is one of the most plentiful elements in our body, and as we breathe it feeds every cell in our body so that we can continue to live. The most precious gift of our life is air because without it none of us would last more than a few minutes. When I first began to use gratitude's magical power, I used it for a lot of personal things that I wanted, and it worked. But it was when I began to be grateful for the real gifts in life and that experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. The more grateful I became for a sunset or tree, the ocean, the dew on the grass, my life, and the people in it, every material thing I have ever dreamed of having poured down upon me. I now understand the reason why it happened that way. When we can feel truly grateful for the precious gifts of life and nature, like the magical air that we breathe, we have reached one of the deepest possible levels of gratitude, and whoever has that depth of gratitude will receive absolute abundance. Today, stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. Take 5 full breaths in and out 5 different times today. And after you have taken each set of 5 breaths, say the magic words, thank you for the magical air that I breathe. And be as genuinely grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. It is best if you can do this magical practice outside so you can really feel and appreciate the magnificence of fresh air. But if that's not possible, then do it inside. You can close your eyes while taking the breath, as you can do it with your eyes open. You can do it while you are walking, waiting in line, shopping, or anywhere at any time you want. The important thing is to deliberately feel the feeling of the air going in and out of your body. Breathe the way you naturally breathe because their magical practice is not about your breathing but about your gratitude for the air you breathe. If taking a bigger breath helps you feel more grateful, then do that. If it helps to make a sound or mentally say the magic words thank you as you breathe the air out, then do that. If you want, you can also do a variation of this practice in the future by imagining you're breathing in gratitude and feeling yourself up with it every breath and take. In ancient teachings, it is said that when a person reaches the point of being deeply grateful for the air that they breathe, their gratitude will have reached a new level of power and they will have become the new alchemists who can effortlessly turn every part of their life into gold. Now let's understand today's magical practice number 23. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Read your list, and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2. 5 times today, stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. After you have taken the 5 breaths, say the magic words, thank you for the magical air that I breathe. Be grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magical words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Guys, these are the list of activities you need to perform today itself. So what I will recommend is find yourself a quiet empty space where nobody is going to disturb you. Sit with the notebook and the pen with the soothing music on. And if you're unable to find any soothing music, in my channel there are plenty of them. You can choose anyone, just listen to them and write your gratitude and feel them. It's like you express your feeling for something which is going to change your life completely. So do it, guys, and all the best for you, and I'll see you tomorrow again with tomorrow's day challenge. Till then, stay safe, wear mask, and make sure you wash your hands every single day and every single hour so that you are safe and your family is also safe.